What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Sorry, I can't speak. Today I am working on the G. Well, I'll probably be doing a couple different things, but I'm trying to make sure this shit starts running how it should. I've had it back for a while, but I've been waiting for the tuner to tell me what to do next, but he hasn't gotten back to me. So I did buy a brand new fuel pump probably a couple months back to switch it and see if that helps. So that's what we're doing today, right now. So hopefully that'll help somewhat. They did change the whole fuel pump assembly at C1 when I took it over there. I don't know if they put the old fuel pump back on or if they just use a brand new one, so we're about to find out. There we go. This shit's way easier to do without this little bar here, and on a 350C you don't have to take no back seat out, which is a bitch. So you're gonna use a screwdriver, Phillips, or maybe not. I don't know, these things are on there. I've done it so many times that it doesn't really. There we go. You just twist them a little bit. This one's fucked. Probably gonna need a. There we go. Simple enough. And you just pull that out. Take that little plug out here, if you can. There we go. Looks fine. And you want to put a rug before you take this off, and probably take the fuel cap off. Well, not necessarily, but sure, why not? Releases some of the pressure. At least I'd like to think that. So alright, so that's around that. It'll probably go everywhere anyways. It has this little tabs on the sides. It's like 2 of them. You push them and then you pull the line back. Alright, there, it's off. Didn't make a mess, thankfully. And there's a little plastic shit. Now, this thing's, it has 6 bolts in there that help. You could use a Phillips screwdriver, or I think it's a 8 or a 7mm socket. Let's see, what's this one? 7. Let's start with that one. Nope, it's not a 7. It's 8. There we go. You want to be careful with these things. Don't use a power tool because they will break easily. Alright, so I took that out. Careful you don't lose your nuts and bolts. And now I should be able to just pull this puppy out. You gotta be careful taking it out because it has a little lever thing. You don't want to get caught anywhere. And it also has this little return line here that you want to take out before. Alright, so it's out. Now you gotta take this thing, pull that out, and then it has another one on the other side, maybe. Yeah, no. Should be able to come out, but just be careful with this. I'm gonna take this shit out right here. And just be careful it doesn't break, because that's gonna be a bad day. Here. And then you want to take this cable and that one out. Well, and just like that, it's out. Now I'm looking at it, and I can already tell what's part of the freaking problem. So it's zip tied like that because it's obviously not OEM, so it won't be able to fit just how the OEM would. But it actually looks like it's been falling down, like it's way lower than it should. And I'm looking inside there, and that's probably one of the, if not one, but the actual issue of it. So let's take this zip tied out and then figure out what we got. Alright, let's see, because I'm almost sure that's the freaking problem. See, this thing's supposed to be all the way up here. Alright, so take this little clip out. Hopefully you guys can see it. And push it out. Oh, nice. That's just all freaking broken. Snap, that thing is fucked up. Look at that. What am I gonna do now? Alright guys, it is currently the next day. I went to the junkyard and found the piece that I needed. Looks pretty good. I got it off a G37, and I got this as well. Let's see if I can modify it a little bit. That way I don't have to hold that damn thing, the fuel pump with the zip tie, because that was obviously not working. So yeah, we'll do that. I could have bought this new, but I was not gonna wait. I didn't feel like waiting. This one looks pretty damn good. Yeah, I'd say so. So yeah, let's do that, and hopefully we can fix the problem today. Alright, so use a Dremel. I kind of sanded down the inside of this part and then the outside back here. It's not ideal, but it works better than zip ties. And now I'm gonna put it back together and show you. Alright, so I just finished putting everything, well, at least the whole fuel pump back together. You gotta be careful with this bolts. Just make sure you don't tighten it too much, and this puppy just goes right in there. So, and now we put this guy back on. Let's see, shit, here we go, back to the struggle. There it is. And then this guy goes like this. Sorry. You can do it with your hands. Look at that. Beautiful. It's right in there. Now let's give it a try. See, wish me luck. Alright. Moment of truth. Let's prime it a little bit. I know you guys heard that shit. And then we go again. I think we should be good there, hopefully. Oh, there it goes. Say. That already sounds better. Sounds better, boys. Alright, boys. Moment of truth. I'm gonna take it for a ride and see how it goes. Oh yeah. Now it's definitely running how it should. It's definitely better, boys. Definitely better. And it's not bogging out, which I used to do that before. And it makes sense now because it was just hanging freely, basically. It wasn't going, the fuel wasn't going straight where I needed to. So I think we're good. Oh, what's this guy doing here? What's up? shit, it's been a while, and it's usually something stupid like that. I didn't need my tuner for this shit. Let's see. Yeah, staying right where it should. Don't worry about my gas, I know my car. It's good. And well, that was the solution to my problem this whole time. So keep in mind, don't ever use zip ties for your fuel pump. That whole little thing that holds the fuel pump, it's definitely needed. I've seen some people, like at least some videos, put the fuel pump back without it, because I mean it is a little pain in the ass since it's not OEM, it doesn't fit as well. So you just grind that down, do whatever you have to do to reuse it, and don't rig it, please. So with that being said, that, my friends, it's gonna be a wrap. Definitely happy to get this thing back on the road running after such a simple stupid thing, but we got it done. All right, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you get some merch. The link it's on the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.